This is a short tutorial on how to use Edpuzzle with Google Classroom. First, go to the Google Classroom and then press the classwork, and then you can press the assignment or click on the attachment, and after this you make sure that the Edpuzzle app is uploaded in your mobile or in your laptop. Then press the allow. After this you can move on to Edpuzzle for students. Go to your class and then you can see the video along with some MCQs. You can watch up the video and attempt the MCQs question. The dots are showing the MCQs. For example, over here we can see that a question will come, MCQ will come. Answer the correct option whichever you think is correct and then press submit. Then you can see the number of whether the answer is correct at the end, and at the end of the video you can see how much percentage the video has completed. The teacher can also see the student's response. So do try it. Thank you.